Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you one DIY moisturizer that you can use after any face mask, whether it's a DIY face mask or a store-bought one. Just applying this moisturizer after you've used the face mask will really optimize your results and make sure that even while you are sleeping, your skin is renewing, it's rejuvenating and healing itself, and whatever issues you have, this moisturizer will take care of it. But the key is that once you've applied any DIY masks, it can be any other mask that you've seen somewhere else or the mask that I show you, applying this moisturizer right after that and going to sleep will help your skin a lot. It's a very easy moisturizer, but it works like a superfood for your skin. Your skin is going to absorb it and it's going to heal from within. So if you have any kind of pigmentation, dark spots, and if you are struggling with a glow, with not having a glow on your skin, this will help you with all of that. So let's not waste any more time, and I will show you guys how to make this moisturizer. So my husband is my hand model today, but anyways, you're going to take about 3 spoons of aloe vera gel, and to that you are going to add about 2 spoons of rose water. You can use any brand, and I prefer aloe vera gel over the actual aloe vera plant because this will last you longer. And to that I'm going to add about 6 to 8 drops of almond oil, which I will follow it by same 6 to 8 drops of vitamin E oil. Now this dropper was difficult, so I did it off camera. And you are going to mix it really well until it turns into this white color, cream like consistency. And once you've applied your face mask, you are just going to go with a generous amount of this and apply it all over your face and massage it really well into your skin. Pamper yourself a little, give yourself a nice massage until most of it is absorbed before you can go to sleep. But make sure to use clean hands and use a generous amount. This much of your cream will probably last you for 5 to 6 days because you don't need a lot on your face. It spreads really well. The consistency is extremely light and does not feel heavy on your skin. So you're just going to massage it really well, and within 5 minutes of massaging this into your skin, you will see how amazing your skin looks. And when you leave it overnight, your skin will repair itself, it will rejuvenate, and while you're sleeping, your skin is just going to absorb all of this goodness and you're going to wake up with flawless looking skin. So it's basically like not doing anything at night, but your skin is still looking amazing. As you can see here, this is just 5 minutes after leaving this cream on my face, and if you continue doing this, you will have extreme glow and flawless looking skin. So that's it guys, it's a very simple moisturizer. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts or queries, you can leave it in the comment section and I will make sure to reply to you guys. And I will also link everything that I have used in the description box for you guys to check it out, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.